I did put a mic right there on my front mount. I'm trying to show y'all. So yeah, that's a mic right there. I'm just gonna drive the car like through the community on roads like these, so I'm not going too fast. Because I'm not trying to lose my mic. It's not even held in with nothing. But I did do one little pull, and man, when I tell you guys, this thing sounds crazy. I'm not sure how well you guys are gonna hear the variables of the car itself.
Hold up.
Just imagine the mic falls. I hope the video file at least saves like before. Nice little Z something. I don't know what it is, but it's an M though. It got a quad tip, so I think it's an actual M. Probably like a ZM or something. That's probably as hard of a pull as I'm gonna do. I'm really not trying to lose my mic. Let me just see if it's still on the car right now. Oh shit. Hey, we chilling. It's still there. And it still looks in place. It doesn't even look like it's shifted. I just always gotta steer for a little bit. Alright, quick little change of plans, y'all. I'm actually going to finish the POV off on the GoPro just because I want to compare the sounds, and just in case it's way too loud on the mic, I didn't want to make the whole video like that. So let me even check if it's still there right now. Oh yeah, we good. But I think it's cool. Plus I didn't hit the main roads. I'm on the GoPro right now. Let me know if y'all can even notice the difference in, for sure you guys are going to notice a difference in audio, but video quality, let me know what this looks like. Yeah, hopefully I enjoy it.
Oh, look at the BMW.
Yeah. I'm gonna give him a little pull too. Appreciate it. Man, that feels good. I somehow ended up first at this light. So.